Hi, welcome to my channel. This is Vanryn, and for today's video, we're going to have a tutorial on how to remove the background of your picture or photos. So, are you having a hard time in removing your pictures? Mag-edit pa mo para lang ma-remove ang background sa inyong picture? So, let's end that, okay? Because I'll be giving you two solutions on how to remove the background of your picture quick and easy way. So all you need to do is to listen up, pick up your phones, laptops, whatever gadgets you have, and let's start now. Go to Google, search remove background. Sorry about my dog. And you can click this one. Click Adobe. It is a free image background remover. Okay, let's click it. And then, if you have an image already, just drag and drop the image. So for me, I don't have an image yet. So let's search in Google. This is just an example. So let's search my crush, Mads Mikkelsen. For example, if I want to remove the background of this picture, this one, so all I have to do is to drag it and drop like a bomb. Okay, and let's wait for a couple of seconds. Let's wait for the miracle to happen. And here it is. Boom. Okay, quick and simple. So if you want to download this picture, just click download pack, and boom, na download na. That quick, right? Easy and quick. See, the quality is giving. And the other option here, wait, is the removebg. Just click this. It's also a site that can remove background of your picture. And again, just drag the image and drop like a bomb. And then wait for a couple of seconds. And then here it goes. Boom. Quick and easy. So right here we have two options, the free and then the VIP. So if you click the free one, of course you can download it quickly, and then but if you want greater quality of the picture, you unlock it first. You pay for it first. So we'll have to choose the free one. And then boom, it is downloaded now. Okay, let's compare it to the other one. Adobe has the greater quality than the removebg. So that's it. Simple and easy. Again, we have two options right here. The Adobe and removebg. Okay, problem solved. So I hope you learned something from it. And don't forget to like, share, and comment. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.